Hi, to enable and disable battery saving mode on Xiaomi 13, just go in the phone settings first and from here scroll so you can see this battery tab. Select it and now you will need to take a look at this section. Here you will find current mode, tap it and now you can see 4 options. Performance mode, we are not interested in that. Balanced, which is default option. Battery saver, which we were looking for. And ultra battery saver. So if you would like to enable battery saver, you will need to tap it and now this icon just got orange instead of green. And also you can see that we got 23 hours and 35 minutes remaining time. So you can use your phone for almost 24 hours, which is really impressive. But additionally, we got this mode Ultra Battery Saver, and you can see that we can use the phone for 61 hours 57 minutes, which is just mind-blowing. So if you would like to enable this option, Ultra Battery Saver, just tap it, but notice that this mode restricts most power-consuming features and decreases your device's performance in order to leave basic functionality. So many apps will be unavailable in this mode enabled. If you would like to enable it, just tap OK button here. And now to reach this feature easily, you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find battery saver. When it's orange, it's enabled, and when it's just gray like others, it is disabled. And additionally, you can go in this edit mode. And from here, select Ultra Battery, tap on the plus to add it to this control panel. And now you can enable Ultra Battery Saver mode just by tapping it. And this is how this mode looks. To exit it, just hold the power button and select Reboot the phone, or just tap this button, exit, like that. And now it's turning off Ultra Battery Saver mode. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.